Welcome to Frontline Business. I'm Jnn In business news today, preliminary figures indicate that Tax Administration Jamaica, TAJ, surpassed collections target for the second quarter of the current fiscal year. For the period July to September, TAJ raked in $75.2 billion, which was 4.8% over the $71.7 billion target. As a result, year-to-date collections are now at $153.1 billion. This is 2% above the projections at September 30 of $149.8 billion. TAJ is now on track to exceed the $320.8 billion annual target. Tax Administration Jamaica says the higher-than-projected collections resulted from continued focus on compliance strategies, which began in the last financial year. These include closer monitoring of arrears, which was facilitated through the Revenue Administration Information System and the mandating of all GCT taxpayers to file their returns online. TAJ is also reporting a near 100% GCT e-filing compliance rate for taxpayers mandated to file returns in this manner. In addition, TAJ says it will continue to aggressively pursue tax evaders through intelligence and enforcement actions. It says its special enforcement team recently targeted several delinquent taxpayers in St. Catherine and carried out an operation dubbed Old Capital 2.0, which resulted in the arrest of 10 persons for disobeying court orders. Local e-book platform Book Fusion Limited has announced a collaboration with HarperCollins Publishing to offer the complete Caribbean catalog of HarperCollins books on its platform. Under the deal, Book Fusion and HarperCollins will be working together throughout the Caribbean to provide cost-effective digital solutions to schools, institutions, and government ministries, with the aim of providing seamless and secure digital access to HarperCollins titles. International publisher at HarperCollins, Dr. Elaine Higginton, said it is increasingly important that book users have a choice about how they read content, and many schools are concerned about the weight of books in students' bags. She added, quote, "We are very pleased that users now have the choice to access the Collins title they know and rely on in ebook format," end quote. Book Fusion is an open and global ebook platform that provides data, tools, products, and application programming interfaces for publishers, authors, readers, and third-party developers to create their own applications and services. Meanwhile, Express Catering recorded revenues of $4.06 million during its first quarter. That's an improvement of over 6.5% compared to the same period last year. Net profit totaled over $937,000, a more than 12% increase over the same period last year. Express Catering expects sales to increase throughout upcoming quarters, which will support further revenue growth. Margaritaville Turks is reporting lower revenues for the first quarter of its financial year. During the 3 months ended August 31, the company raked in $1.82 million from more than 262,500 passengers. It recorded more revenues last year, totaling $1.86 million from just over 260,000 passengers. Net profits also came in lower, moving from over $296,000 to a little over $290,000. Monday's foreign exchange market closed with the US dollar being sold for $130.53. The Canadian went for $99.56, the pound sterling for $169.63, and the euro selling for an average of $152.46. In Monday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 2,061 points to close at over 300,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 54 stocks, of which 21 advanced, 27 declined, and 6 traded firm. The Junior Market Index advanced by 78 points to close at 3,320. Stocks advancing were 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Blue Power Group, Carreras Limited, and Derimon Trading. Stocks declining were Barita Investments, CAC 2000, Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Producers, and Siboney Group. Trading firm were General Accident Insurance, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Jamaican Teas, JMMB Group, and Proven Investments. Mayberry Jamaican Equities was the volume leader, with over 3 million units, followed by Carreras Limited with over 500,000 units, and Kingston Wharves with over 200,000 units. And news in oil. Oil futures were little changed on Monday after paring earlier losses, despite Saudi Arabia's pledge to raise crude production to a record high 2 weeks before U.S. sanctions potentially choke off Iranian supplies. Brent crude futures were up 3 cents at $79.81 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate was down 15 cents or 0.2% at $68.97 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Cody Barrett. Pleasant viewing.